Okay, I will show the whole process to make a picture for the Maintop and set the picture in the Maintop and rip it for printing. The video might be long, but please be patient. First, we open the Photoshop file. Open the picture you want to print. Okay, and you can check the channels. And the color mode is RGB. We need to change it to CMYK. You can find the setting in the image mode and change to CMYK. Okay, now it's showing full color CMYK. And go to the layers. Press and hold the control button. When you hold the control button, it will have a square on the finger. Then you click the left button. Okay, you see the outlines will be displayed on the picture. You can select Modify Contrast 1 pixel. So the outline will be smaller 1 pixel, and then go back to the channel again. This button. New spot channel. Okay, capital W1. That's how to name it. Set to 100. Okay. And then you will see the picture becomes like that. And next step, save as. Okay. Need to select the TIFF and name it like test picture. Save. Don't have to change any setting in this interface. Click OK. OK. Then wait for it to save. When it finishes, you can go to the Maintop. Okay, I'll delete the old file. Okay, when you open Maintop, it looks like this. Click File, New, and here to set a page size. That depends on your printer size. This one is 60 cm, then I can set the page bigger, like 300. Okay, let's try it out. Then click this icon, import picture. We find the test file we just made from the Photoshop text picture TF file. Open. Off. Okay. So that's the picture we just made in the Photoshop and now open in the Maintop program. This icon.
我现在已经在那个范围里面调了。
Click the auto set paper because I have changed the page size. It was 230, and now I click the auto set paper 300, and go to the YN setting. Channel 1 need to set to spot color, cover, normal. Okay. And then select the print to file. Type the name like 222. Save. And then it will send the data. Okay, after that, go to the PrintExp file. That's the 222 I just made. Double click. Okay, that's the file. And some information here. If the machine is ready, you can just print from by clicking the print icon. Then you can see the printer says initializing. And then change to printing. Start printing from here until it finishes. Okay, that's the whole process from the making the picture for the Maintop and Maintop output, and then print from the PrintExp. That's the whole process. Thank you.